Okay. This is my first video ever made. My name is Ben, and I'm gonna be playing with my brother Pete. We're going to be doing a challenge that I'm gonna call Mob Hunters. In this challenge, I'm gonna be in survival, which I'll turn myself in survival right now. There we go. I've not given myself anything in that short time creative. I only made creative so that my brother Pete could be in creative too. He's gonna be in creative this time, and he is gonna be chasing me down and trying to kill me. Yep, there he is actually. He's gonna be chasing me down with monster spawn eggs. And the mobs he spawns are gonna be trying to chase me down. Where is he? I don't know where he is right now, but let's try and gather as many materials as we can. This is not a great biome to start in, though. Hopefully we can escape. Okay. I saw a shipwreck over here. Yo, what's happened? Did I glitch into a block? Oh, yeah. Okay. I may be able to hide from him, but he could TP. Yo, my controls are not working very well. Okay. Pretty sure I saw a ship. You see that, guys? Right over there. Desert temple. That would give me such a lead. Here's the problem with desert temples. Peter could just spawn mobs right on top of me and send them down. And they might land on the pressure plate. Or a creeper. Creepers would be really bad in desert temple. So we're going to have to make sure none of those get down there. What, Katie? Are you doing a video? Yes. Okay. Hey, great start. I don't know where Pete is. He's probably preparing. Oh no. What's happened? Okay, there we go. Okay. So if we could get a couple early diamonds for like a sword or something, that would be great. Yeah, mobs are gonna need swords to defeat. I've actually gotten pretty lucky in the mobs I've encountered so far. None of them have had tridents. I'm talking about drowns because I'm in the water practically this whole time. Okay, good. Hopefully we can get some early, really good loot. Early, late game loot. Okay. Let's see here. Come on. Okay, there we go. Nothing down there. Let's go. Oof. Break. Yes. Okay, let's check the chests. Yo. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's really good, actually. Why isn't it working? Ah, there we go. Yo, what's the enchanted book? Flame and Piercing. I'll keep that. Oh my goodness. This game music's loud. I'm gonna turn it down real quick. Okay. So, what, Katie? Nothing. But Pete, he has some good stuff. He's in creative, right? Yeah. He's supposed to be hunting me down. Okay. I think he's just getting ready. Okay. My sister's. Oh wow, this is good. Okay, we should have. Unbreaking 3 is not great, but I mean, if we get a diamond sword and an anvil, we don't want to. Oh my goodness, the enchanted books. Aqua Affinity is not great, but it's a good place to hide from mobs. Feather falling, in case I need to make a quick getaway, is good. I'm sad we didn't get any diamonds. We got emeralds though, which is okay. TNT though. If we need to clear out a good patch of mobs, that'll work very nicely. Okay. Well, Okay, my sister is gonna be a messenger in this game. So she's gonna be talking between me and Pete because my brother's playing in a different room. Katie, stop. Anyways, her name's Katie. I'm giving her credit for being the messenger of this video. Yay. Also, just so you guys need to know, yeah, sure, that's good too. I know. Okay, Pete's gonna have to get ready. These videos are gonna be put into 15-minute videos over a big series. If you guys like these videos, then I'll keep on doing them. If you don't, I'll just do something else. One of the videos I'm planning on doing is going to be a no jump challenge where I have disabled jumping and cannot jump the whole video. So that'll be fun to do. I have actually done this once, but I've actually done that once before, just not video. Just not making a video out of it. And I did not beat the Ender Dragon in it. Just doing some practicing. Katie, you can stop saying speed. I don't have much in the way of food. Yo, wait! I see village! Guys, this is the luckiest desert ever. Yo, come on. Give me your meats! No! Give me your meats. Yes. You gotta be kidding me, that's sad. Okay. Yo, gold. Okay. Wow. This is a really lucky scene. Desert temple, village. Oh wait, it's an abandoned village. I can see the holes in it. Okay, so that's not as lucky, but still okay. It will mean no villagers to trade with, which is sad because we have the emeralds. I thought I might be able to get a few lucky trades in for like food and things like that. Oh, ditch. So I'm gonna have to survive here. Hey Katie, messenger. I need you to go tell Pete how to TP to me, because he's probably lost in the Mesa Plateau by now, even in creative. Oh, it's like /TP to, and then you put their name. And if I'm wrong, yeah, and Katie, if I'm wrong in that, just search it up. Okay. Yes, potatoes are good when baked, so they're as much as a piece of bread, but this is gonna work just as good. Actually, better. Oh jeez, I hear the zombies. Should probably make a hoe. I have no wood. Oh my goodness. Yeah, come at me. Yeah, you can't come out here, can you? No, because it'll get burned to death. Yeah, come out. I dare you. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, there we go. Let's get this. Yo, I can only make a bow. And TNT. I have tons of TNT. I'll make a bow. If I can get arrows, that's really useful. Let's see here. I have no way to get wood currently, so that's a problem. Beetroot stink. Hey, baby zombie. Oh, I got one bed. I don't need more. Actually, that's probably not true. I probably want more, but I'll get different. Oh my goodness, you followed me out here. What type of insane mob are you? You're gonna burn. Dumb little baby. Oh, I killed it. No. Oh, did I kill baby? So now you might kill me. That's understandable. Oh, jeez. Nothing good in here, except there's a crafting table. Can I make some bread? Just using a crafting table with this guy on it. Oh no, it's getting dark. Now that it's getting dark, these guys are going to be able to come out.
One, what's
B in Ben and the D in Dad. The first D in Dad.
Okay, and also, oh, look at all those bunnies.
Oh no.
What? So, is it 2 blah blah blah?
Ben's 1 Dad 2 blah blah blah?
No, teleport T/TP to Ben's 1 Dad. Or is it just Ben's 1 Dad?
Ben's 1 Dad, yeah.
But
Okay,
but
it's
not
nighttime.
2.
No.
Okay.
Oh no. Peter needs to be sleeping for me to sleep. Beds are practically useless. Okay. Because he's in creative. Why would he need to sleep? I got a bone. I could just bone all the mobs. I didn't steal the crafting table, darn it. Okay, everybody, these are gonna be broken up into, oh geez, 15-minute segments. So, it's about over, I
Who's
think.
getting the bed? He's gonna go to sleep.
He doesn't need to.
Yeah, but he's going to.
Sleeping in bed. Go to Skips. Yo, this is so
I know,
lucky.
isn't it? It's the best part of it.
Okay. Technical difficulties. I actually accidentally died due to. Yeah, I can actually get some of it back. I accidentally died due to technical difficulties and me trying to see how much left I had in the recording. Yeah, fun. Yeah, it's very good. I think we actually killed some mobs over here, so. Yo, that creeper just blew up. Okay. I'm saying goodbye to this area. You know what? I'm actually not gonna go get a loot. Let's throw him off our path here. So, we're gonna try and go this way.
By a house. Or something by a house.
Yo! I see Pete! I see Pete!
Oh,
And I've got nothing.
you?
I have nothing. I have nothing. I have nothing.
Wait, you were slain by a house.
Be quiet. Okay. Yes, Katie, I was. Okay. I see Peter right here.
Oh, he is.
If I crouch, he can't see my name tag, so.
Yes.
I'm dashing it. I'm dashing it.
Oh,
Yo, thanks for the boost, Skelly. Oh, whoa. Underground cave. I cannot make a door. No. Okay. I can't make a door, so this underground cave's useless. For now. For now. I just need trees. Huh? Yo, why'd he leave? We got 2 minutes left on the recording. Oh, no. Okay. This part has been pretty uneventful. He hasn't chased me down much. He is a 7-year-old, so he may not. Okay, good, he's joined. Probably technical difficulties on his side. He doesn't completely understand much. He's only 7. No offense to 7-year-olds out there, but. Yo! Look at the cave, guys. There's diamonds in that. I am positive there's diamonds in that. Yo, if I had a water bucket, I'm good at emoji water, so I could emoji water easy. And then with stone and wood, I'd be able to emoji water down there. Oh. But no. Because I ain't got no wood. Oh, so cool crevice. Kind of like yo, Zombieville. So we're actually gonna stumble upon our remains without meaning to. Because I didn't get much of use there. I got enchantment books and TNT, which is pretty much the only good things. I did get emeralds, which are okay if there's villagers, but there's no villagers. Living village. A wife. A village with wife. This desert, guys. Oh my goodness.
so Ben? Are you far away from Pete? Did you go in the ocean?
No.
Okay, so you just.
I ran away from him. I just booked it. Oh, whoa. This underwater. Oh, it's a little reef. Oh, I like it.
Okay.
Okay. So, we got this live reef here, which is pretty cool. Huge underground. Underwater, I mean. Oh no, God was trident.